Remember, you have to treat the act of flying a drone similar to driving an automobile or operating any machine. Part 107 does not allow the operation of the small, unmanned aircraft if you are incapacitated. This includes drugs, alcohol, over-the-counter drugs that causes altered consciousness and impairment. Part 107 prohibits a person from serving as the remote pilot in command, person manipulating the controls, or any other crew member if he or she consumes any alcoholic beverage within the preceding 8 hours, is under the influence of alcohol, has a blood alcohol concentration of 0.4% or greater, or is using a drug that affects the person's mental or physical capabilities. If you refuse to submit a test to indicate percentage as requested by law enforcement, this is grounds for denial of application for remote pilot certification with a small UAS rating for a period of up to 1 year after the date of refusal, and suspension or revocation of a remote pilot certificate with a small, unmanned rating. What about medical conditions? Certain conditions, such as epilepsy, may affect your ability to operate a small unmanned aircraft. Woo! That was a lot. Now let's test your knowledge. Question 1. Who holds the responsibility to ensure all crew members are participating in the operation are not impaired by drugs or alcohol? A. Remote pilot in command. B. The FAA. C. Site supervisor. Ok, time's up. The answer is A. Question 2. No person may attempt to act as a crew member of a small unmanned aircraft with 8.4% by weight or more alcohol in the blood. B. 0.04% by weight or more alcohol in the blood, or C. 0.04% by weight or more alcohol in the blood. Ok, time's up. The answer is C. I hope you got all of that. If not, keep studying. This has been a short lesson from Double Axis.